It's a quieter day in Cozumel today. It is, oh, it's very late. It's just gone past 6:30. But I'm back near the ferry port. My hotel is sort of that way. It's a Tuesday. So what do you do on a Tuesday? Well, you come out and you have some food. And if it is a Tuesday, why not come to, excuse me, why not come to Fat Tuesday? Now this place is famous for huge drinks, huge margaritas, like frozen drinks. I'll show you behind the bar. It's like a selection of, in the UK, like slush puppies or tango ice blasts, like frozen drinks. You pick your flavour, they put some alcohol in it. They also do quite good food here as well. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to eat, and I'm probably going to get a big cocktail. Let's go to Fat Tuesday. I feel like I'm going to get copyrighted on this one. I'm not here for the music in the background. But I am in Fat Tuesday and I've gone for a pina colada, medium size. Very nice. To order some food. It's pretty simple stuff here, but I think I can get some tacos. I fancy some tacos. I'm going to order some food and then we'll catch up again. But it's Fat Tuesday, right by the water, right by the ferry terminal here on Isla Cozumel. Okay, sometimes you just learn the hard way. It was $11 for that pina colada in Fat Tuesday. And the menu was terrible. Literally nothing on there. You can hear that in the background. Let's go and investigate. Yeah, no point going to Fat Tuesday. That was really bad. $11 for a medium pina colada. What have I found here? I found something. It's all happening here. This is the main square in Cozumel. I'll spin you around. Don't know what that's all about. I assume there's a tip jar somewhere for that. Well, where do I go now? I just want... You know what? I was chatting to a guy at the bar earlier who said there's a place down the road here that does nice food. But no, I'm gonna go for plan B. You just gotta appreciate the natural beauty sometimes. Look at that. This place is pretty special. Oh man. It's a much longer walk than I anticipated, but I am here at the eating spot. Sometimes you just have to go with what you know. And what I know is... Hooters is the place to go. I'm literally the only customer here though. So, it's gonna go in. The only customer in Hooters, yes! Bit of Madonna playing. Yeah, I came to Hooters, but I wanted some tacos, and then I realised the thing I wanted the most. Well, I won't tell you now. I'll show you when I got them. Look, it's shiny. There's a few things that Hooters do really well. Wings. I've done a wing challenge already. Link in that video up there. And the next one, well, I'll show you when I get it. Fascination is always, what's that camera all about? What are you doing filming? I do ask though if I can film. For people who message me and say, make sure you ask those places. I ask everywhere I go. So, I told you earlier I wanted tacos. So I got tacos. But the other thing I got, I've not had since I went to Hooters in Las Vegas. And then it's the first time I'd ever tried them. And I thought to myself, why have I never had these things before? Because these are everything that I love. I'll show you first, spin you around, show you what I got, then I'll explain why they're just the best thing ever. I'm not up on my modern music, but I think a little bit of Bieber to this. So these are the tacos. Look at these. 3 buffalo chicken tacos. Got some sort of spicy dip, and that dip goes with these. These are fried pickled slices, and they're just, well, let me spin you around again and I'll tell you, but tacos, dip, and they also know you need this for the beard. Right, let me give you a little insight then about these fried pickles. We all know what pickles are. If you're one of those people who picks them out of your burger at McDonald's or Burger King or anywhere that you get pickles in a burger, shame on you. But when you coat them in a batter and deep fry them, the slices, and you get these little, it's like a chicken nugget. Like, look how thin it is. They're just, I can't wait to dig in. I'm going to dip it in the chipotle sauce, I guess. Yes! This takes me right back. There's a couple of places in the UK that do fried pickles, but nothing like Hooters do fried pickles. These are the best in the world. You don't like it? Comment at me, I don't care. These are the best fried pickles in the world. Right. Neil! Sorry, I need to speak or else they'll copyright claim me. Let's talk tacos. These are buffalo chicken tenders in a soft tortilla, the small ones for the tacos, with it's like cabbage, lettuce, pico de gallo on the top. Come on! I'm gonna go straight in for one. Again, oh goodness. I have to forward think when I pick things up, because once again, such a small mouth, such a big beard, just goes everywhere. But you can see here, cabbage, lettuce, pico de gallo, which is chopped tomato, chopped onion, coriander, just mixed, maybe with a bit of vinaigrette sometimes, on top of the buffalo chicken tenders. Yeah! Is that in the beard? No. Oh man. I love a chicken tender. I love buffalo. Again, video not sponsored, but if anybody out there from Frank's Hot Sauce or knows anybody who works at Frank's Hot Sauce, tag them in these videos because I mention them all the time. This buffalo sauce is basically like Frank's buffalo chicken wing hot sauce, and it's delicious. Sponsor a video, Frank's. Come on, I believe in you. Bit of George Harrison. I worked with a guy called George Harrison once. Don't know if you can sing the song. Don't know the point of that story really. Right. Got my beer. I want to talk more about these fried pickles. So it's crinkle cut slices. Let me get crinkle cut slices of pickle that they put in a batter and deep fry. Sounds weird, right? But it holds that pickle flavour. The pickle itself doesn't get all greasy, and the batter gets so crisp. And I had my mind set on these. Good tunes in here. Don't copyright claim me, please. Right, let's talk tacos and let's talk Hooters. The tacos are unbelievable. Now Mexico is an amazing place for tacos. On Cozumel, there are no little street vendors selling tacos, which is disappointing, but I think that just sort of goes to show how touristy Cozumel is. Because the people selling tacos on the streets throughout Mexico, they've all been delicious, and I've eaten some random bits of animals along the way. Annoyingly, I've not had my camera out at night time in some of these places, but I've had crazy tacos. But the tacos here are unbelievably good. And again, it's that buffalo hot sauce that's on them. But I think in the UK, for my UK viewers, there's a misconception about tacos. So when you think tacos back home, it's those crispy shells and you fill them with like minced beef with a packet mix with some veggies of your choice. You do not get crispy tacos here, and do you know why? Because they're terrible. These are soft shell tacos and they're amazing. Right, I'm eating these fried pickles, which are just unbelievable still. Like I said, let's talk Hooters. I think across the US, and there's a few in Mexico. It's a relatively big chain, I think. In the UK, we have one in a place called Nottingham, like central England. It's not very popular, and by all accounts, I know people who have been. I've seen food reviewers on YouTube do things at Hooters in Nottingham. Apparently it's not great. But when you're one of one, and you're in a university city like Nottingham, and people are going to Hooters, then that's why it's been there for so long. But if this opens, why are there none of these in London? If there's a Hooters in London, they'd make an absolute fortune. I'm going to start a petition. Right, I'm going completely off topic now, on a rant. I'm going to start a petition for two things. Because there are two chains of foods that I love from the US, and we have one of each in the UK in the middle of nowhere. So Hooters, Nottingham, spread it out to London. Denny's, they've got one in Wales, in the middle of nowhere. I think it's not even in Swansea, I don't think, but it's maybe in Swansea. Denny's, come to the UK and get to London as well. Come on. Okay, so I'm here at Hooters in Cozumel. Amazing tacos and fried pickles. For everyone back at home, peace out. Gracias.